Hello, this is Morimoto, and it's another unboxing video. Good. Now for the real product. So Morimoto taillights. Let's see. Let's open this box. So we got this these taillights because the taillights on my brother's truck died. These are some pretty nice ones from what I saw online anyway. Well, I screwed up on that box. Right, there you go. These are, I forget what they are. These are the XB LED tail lights for Ford Super Duties from 1999 to 2016. They're packaged very well. Oh, they give you a little thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Alrighty. Let's take one of these suckers out. These are smoked taillights. So they're a little bit darker than your usual taillights. They're not just clear plastic. To give it a more sleek look. So we're going to take a look at one, just right here. So I believe that this is the reverse light here, and you have your brake lights here. And I believe these are sequential. But we'll take a look at that once we install them on the truck. To just show these things right here. These are the adapters, so if you have the older models of trucks or any other models, you can actually use these headlights with any other model of the trucks. And here's the back part of the tail light. You have the connections all here. Like that. Front. One last look over here. I purchased these on Amazon for around $550, plus taxes, of course. You can find them on the website of Morimoto's as well for around the same price. I just did the Amazon one because it was more convenient. Oh, and the packaging it was packaged quite neatly, and they packaged it pretty well with these hard outside cardboard things. These are actually very tough. See, very tough to actually compress these things, so it protects the lights very well. This is a 2012 Ford F350 turbo diesel. So all you would need for this job is a 5/16 ratchet and a socket. It has those clips.
Oh, by the way, I'm Tornado. I'm just holding the camera for my furlough here.
Yeah, because also I wouldn't be able to do the job.
I don't know why
Yes, it's your reflex, my instincts. Yeah, so just give it a little tug, pop them out. There you go. Don't be afraid to put a little force behind it. Alright, so this is the inside of the brakes, or the tail lights, I should say. You get this, I should have got a thing with them. So right here is the detach area. Try to shake that off. You're gonna have a little bit of trouble with these, but I loosened them just ahead of time, so I wouldn't have trouble. I'm still gonna have trouble with this one. It's a big one. God damn. There you go. See? This is the old one. All broke and messed up. There you go.
Right. These are your connectors. This is what you're gonna be connecting the new lights to, and we're about to see how that's done.
Grab the new light. For now, I will leave the plastic on, just to protect the light. But once you put it on there, you can peel off the plastic and you'll have a brand new light. So let's put this down and see where
There you go. There's a tail light installed. So there you go. There's the before and after.